Hi, today I am going to show you how to use the quadratic formula to solve quadratic equation. And the question for today is solve x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0 by using the quadratic formula. Solve x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0 by using the quadratic formula. Okay, so let's move on with the solution. Before we start with the solution, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and then share the videos. Your comments are also welcome. Okay, so we have x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so comparing x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0 with ax squared plus bx plus c, we have a to be what? 1, b to be 2, and then c to be what? Negative 8. I hope you are following it. Okay, so we use the formula x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the quadratic formula, and we are going to use this formula to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, so what we do is we substitute the values of a, b, and c into our formula. So a is what? 1, and b is what? 2, c is negative 8. So we substitute it into our formula to solve for x, or to solve for the roots of the equation. Okay, so we have x equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 square minus 4 multiplying 1 multiplying negative 8. That is minus 2, because b is what? 2, and we have negative b or minus b, so b is what? 2. B is 2. So we have negative 2 plus or minus the square root of b square, and b is what? 2. So 2 square minus 4, then a is what? 1. So 4a, 4 times 1 times c. C is what? Negative 8. So that is what we have here. So we have negative 2 plus or minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 8 all over 2 times 1, 2a. A is what? 1. So 2 times 1. I hope you are following it. Okay, so we have negative 2 plus or minus square root of what? 4 plus 32. So 2 square will give us what? 4. Okay, negative 4 times 1 will give us negative 4 times negative 8 will give us plus 32. Okay, all over 2 times 1 is still what? 2. I hope you understand. Okay, so we have negative 2 plus or minus, now 4 plus 32 will give us what? 36. So we have the square root of what? 36 all over 2. Okay, so negative 2 plus or minus, now the square root of 36 will be what? 6 all over 2. So we have negative 2 plus 6 over 2, or negative 2 minus 6 over 2. Because of this plus or minus, it means negative 2 plus 6 over 2 or negative 2 minus 6 over 2. I hope you understand. Okay, so we have x is equal to what? 4 over 2, that is negative 2 plus 6 will give us what? 4 over 2. And when we divide 4 over 2, we are going to get what? 2. I hope you are following it. Negative 2 plus 6 will give us 4 over 2. So when you divide 4 by 2, we are going to get 2. So x is equal to 2, or x is equal to negative 2 minus 6, which is going to give us negative 8 over 2. So when you divide negative 8 by 2, we are going to get negative 4. So x is equal to 2, or x is equal to negative 4. I hope you understand. So to use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, that is x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, or x is equal to negative 4. Thank you so much for watching.